G'day, Metal Chef here. I've been blowing up the internet. I've got 36 subscribers on YouTube. I've got a Facebook following, but I've still found the time to teach you how to make the ultimate spaghetti marinara. Why? Because I'm all about the fans, and the fans ask, the fans get. Don't go and buy quality seafood and then drown it in a heavy tomato sauce. Bring the fresh, bring the herbs, bring my sauce. Let's go and I'll show you how to make it. Right, this is my take on aglio olio. Gonna put our onions in, sweat it off with a bit of, get in here, come on. A little bit of olive oil. Okay, we're gonna sweat our onions off. Got it all over the bench. Okay, in with the garlic. I've got half an onion in there. I've got 3 cloves of garlic here. Chili flakes, go full Johnny Cash here, ring of fire. Don't be shy. Then in with the preserved lemon. Just use the rind, don't use the flesh. The flesh is really salty. Then we're just going to use some cooking wine. You probably need about 2 cups. A little bit of lemon juice as well. There we go. Let's reduce that down. Right, it's up to the boil. We're going to bring it up and we're going to reduce it by half. It'll probably take about 10 minutes, so go and kill some time, find something to do. Gordo, for the last time, I said, get your own ratings. You can't get the Metal Chef to boost your ratings. I've got my own show, okay? Cheers. Now the reason I've reduced this down is because it'll intensify the flavour and it'll thicken up and it'll coat the pasta beautifully. Alright, it's reduced by half. Now, we need to glug a little bit of olive oil in there, not too much. Put it up the back, let it sit for a little bit, let it infuse. This is going to be more exciting than a Tool World Tour. Right, get the freshest seafood you can get. I've got my seafood here, come in and have a look. I've got my squid, my prawns, my scallops, my fish. I've got my sauce pre-made. Let's go and cook this bad boy. A little bit of olive oil. Alright, let's start cooking our seafood. Remember, don't overcook the seafood or you'll be about as popular as a cock in a supermarket right now. Put in my little fish bits. Let's get a nice little crust on our scallops. Face down. Alright. Look at that colour. Beautiful. A little bit of butter on your scallops. And I'll get a nice little crust on there. Alright, in goes the squid. Now, turn your scallops. That's what I'm looking for, right there. It's worth it, guys. Put the time and effort in. Okay, beautiful. In with the sauce, guys. Oh my god, that smells amazing. In with the pasta. I've got linguine, if you're lucky enough to get linguine. If not, you're pretty well happy to take whatever you can get these days. Give it a toss. All your beautiful fresh herbs. I've got some basil, some dill, some parsley here. Right, I've got some little tomatoes here. I've just dried these out in the oven. Hell yeah, that's delicious. Give it a go. Leave me a comment. Cheers. Metal Chef.